Hello everyone, welcome to the product demo of Video AI Agent by Zerobotics. So, the Video AI Agent is a physical AI system that transforms ordinary cameras into intelligent, real-time monitoring tools. It is designed for safety, security, and operational control in industrial environment. So, cameras today see everything, but they understand nothing. Security teams may get overwhelmed, safety violations may go unnoticed, and operational downtimes can cost companies millions. So what video AI agent uses is a video language model. So it converts any video feed into a smart, searchable, and alert-driven system, whether it's a live camera feed or a already recorded clip. The AI can detect incident, monitor activities, and answer the questions instantly. So let's test the application. If you can see, the video AI agent has two modes. That is the analysis mode, uh, due to analysis mode, that is the Q&A mode and monitoring mode. So let's test the Q&A mode. So I have gone ahead and uploaded a video. Let's ask a simple question like what is happening in the video. Let AI analyze the video. It takes some time. Okay. So here you can see the video captures the gray sweatshirt and a dark pant, cat climbing a tall, light-colored indoor space. Here you can see detailed timestamps that what all things he is doing, and it also gives you the background features of what the setting is all about. Basically, tells you about the video. Let's go to the monitoring mode. So here we are in the monitoring mode, and I have started my video camera webcam, and I've added a image of myself that is for the context. Let's give it a name, Piyush. So let's do a simple prompt. Maybe alert if the person in the stream, in the webcam stream, is not visible. Okay, so let's start monitoring. So see, currently I am visible in the monitor. So the AI produces no notification. Let me move out. So yeah, this was the demo of Video AI Agent. This prototype is just a beginning. A full-scale Video AI Agent will include real-time dashboards, a mobile application for notifications or alert system, incident timelines, multi-site management, all accessible via a web app or a mobile application. So we intend to use the existing camera infrastructure. So this can have multiple camera feeds, whatever is already deployed, and we can also deploy a new security infrastructure, including the hardware, the camera system, the storage systems, and uh, the video AI agent. This can also be an on-premise system for security and privacy issues. So, so yeah, so this is the product demo. Let us know your thoughts. If this can be helpful for your operations or make it efficient for your manufacturing unit or your security company. So yeah, we'd love to hear from you. So yeah, thank you.